I'm going to go over the disassembly and functions of a Sig M17, any of the P320 line. Very simple. Pretty much all of them are the exact same. So always what you do before doing anything with firearms, always clear it, make sure everything's good to go. Magazine release is going to be right here. This is reversible for any left-handed shooters. Switch it over to that side. All you're going to want to do is take the magazine, make sure everything is clear. You will lock the slide to the rear, pressing upwards on the slide lock itself. It is ambi for left-handed as well. Lock the slide to the rear. On this panel here, you will rotate this all the way forward like this so that it's locked out. And then bring the slide forward, release the slide. This is your frame. The fire control units are removable on the Sig. You can switch those out. And then this is your complete slide assembly. Take your recoil spring out. Remove the barrel, and then you have your slide here. Assembly is the exact opposite. Take your barrel, drop it right back in. All the big pieces facing up there. Take your recoil spring. We're going to slot that right in there. Click it right down in. Take a little bit of tension off. Put it right back into there. Take your frame. Take this. Slide it right down onto the rails. Same exact way. I always lock it to the rear just to make it easier, but then you are going to make sure you close that up so that way it will stay together again. Simple functions check. Make sure everything is clear. Depress the trigger, hold the trigger down, pull the slider back, let it go back forward while that trigger is still depressed. You're going to slowly release it, feel the reset, and make sure that it works good.